He has stood behind the pulpit strong, with gentle words and courage in his song. A shepherd with a faithful heart, teaching hope when lives fall apart. Now the battle stands at his own door, a trial he has never walked before. Yet even here his voice still speaks of the Savior who walks with the weak, the one who preached, "Do not fear," now feels heaven drawing near. He is held in faith, held in grace, carried by the prayers he used to raise. Through the valley, through the flame, God is still the same. Though his body may grow weak, his spirit still will sing. The pastor who taught us to believe is now held in faith's strong wings. Beside his bed she stands so strong, the faithful wife who's walked so long. Through every sermon, every call, now she stands and gives her all. Quiet tears in midnight's light, whispered prayers through every night. Her love a shield, her hands a guide. With steadfast hope she won't let slide. When her strength feels almost gone, grace reminds her she's not alone. They are held in faith, held in grace, carried by the prayers they used to raise. Through the valley, through the flame, God is still the same. Though the road is hard and steep, he counts every tear they weep. The shepherd and his faithful bride are held on heaven's side. Across the sea their sons did pray, in distant lands so far away. In Belgium they waited, hearts in plea, longing with their family. When doors seemed closed and hope grew thin, God was working deep within. And visas came, the path was clear. Love would draw the children near. They crossed the miles, they crossed the sea, to serve the ones who taught them to believe. What he sowed in word and deed now returns in time of need. Every life he helped to stand lifts him up with loving hands. Cancer may have named the fight, but it will not win the night. For the God he preached about is the God who holds him now. He is held in faith, held in grace, carried by the love he gave away. Through the valley, through the flame, God is still the same. With his family by is now held in faith, held in faith.